Oftentimes, we will find that we've imported multiple copies of the same study, what we call duplicate records. Fortunately, JBI Summary filters through possible duplicates and flags them for you, in addition to removing exact duplicates from screening entirely. I'm currently on the screening overview page, and title and abstract screening has not yet started. We recommend removing duplicates before beginning title and abstract screening. If you click Remove Duplicate Records, you can view the list of exact duplicates detected by the system. If JBI Summary has incorrectly identified a record as an exact duplicate and you wish to include it in screening, you can select the record and click Mark Selected as Not Duplicate. Next, click Possible Duplicate Records. Here, you'll see a list of potential duplicates displayed in alphabetical order by first author. These records may or may not be true duplicates, so they require your judgment. JBI Summary flags records as possible duplicates based on similarities in title, authors, year, and DOI. The percentage shown represents the confidence of potential duplication. You can view a detailed breakdown of this calculation by clicking the blue Duplicates Percentage tag. Another percentage shown represents the completeness of the citation. JBI Summary automatically designates the most complete record as the primary citation. If needed, you can change this by clicking the Replace Primary Citation button. If we can confirm that the possible duplicate is indeed a duplicate, we just click on the Remove from Screening button. Or if you have multiple duplicates, we tick off on the duplicate records to select them, and then click Remove Selected from the screening. If all of them are duplicates, we click Select All and hit Remove Possible Duplicates. Removed records will be moved to the Removed Duplicate Records tab. Once duplicates have been addressed, you can proceed to the title and abstract screening. Although duplicates identified by JBI Summary should be removed, you may still encounter duplicates during screening. In this case, you can remove a record by clicking the navy Mark as Duplicate button on the right-hand side. This option is also available during full text screening, in case duplicates pass through earlier stages. For some records, the Mark as Duplicate option is grayed out. This may be because they have been designated as the primary citations due to having the most complete metadata. If there are duplicates that have bypassed title and abstract screening, and now are awaiting screening at the full text level, these will show up under the Screened Possible Duplicates drop-down. We won't be able to remove them here, so we'll need to go to the full text screening box to manually mark as a duplicate, like we did at the start of title and abstract screening. When we've removed duplicates from screening, the duplicates will not be visible in either screening phase, as only the primary citation will be left for screening. We can revert any removed duplicates by going back to the screening overview page, selecting the Removed Duplicates Records box, and clicking on the Manually Mark tab. To revert, we just click on Mark Not Duplicate, which will take the record back into whichever phase of screening the record was originally removed from.